Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Ciro. It has been a long time since I've done one of these videos. But I'm going to start this channel up again, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So today I'm going to do something I guarantee you probably haven't heard of. Okay, so let's roll the intro. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need cinnamon sticks, milk, sugar, tortillas, and a saucepan. Here are my ingredients. If you do not have cinnamon sticks, you can use powdered cinnamon. What we are making are migas de leche. Okay, migas de leche. If you've heard about it, wow, I'm surprised you have. But this is a dish my mom used to make when I was very, very little. And it was very, very delicious. And I'm going to share her recipe with you today, okay? So, let's get started. We are going to begin getting our stack of tortillas, and we're going to just cut them up. Saucepan, high heat. That's 2 cups of milk, okay? So I'm using 2 cups of milk, saucepan over high heat. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, okay? And I'm gonna crack 1 cinnamon stick in this milk, okay? So you might be thinking, Ciro, that's a lot of cinnamon for that milk. You're right, I like mine heavy on the cinnamon. If you do not like yours heavy on the cinnamon, just cut back. Right, so I did 2 cups of milk and 1 stick of cinnamon. You can do 2 cups of milk and maybe half a stick of cinnamon or a quarter stick of a cinnamon. Just play with the recipe, right? Cooking's about being creative. Figure out what you like and eat that. We're going to let that come up to a boil, okay? And after it comes up to a boil, that's when we're gonna go ahead and add our tortillas, okay? And we're going to let the tortillas soak it all in. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar. And guess what? Whenever the tortillas absorb all that milk and all that sugar, it's going to be delicious. And then it'll be ready to serve. So let's just watch our milk boil. Alright, so the milk came to a boil. We lower the heat, and we're going to get rid of all the excess cinnamon sticks. Alright, so now that my milk is really, really hot, most of the cinnamon is out, it's time to add the tortillas. All right, I'm going to add, I would say 1 teaspoon of sugar. Correction, maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons feels about right. And I'm going to bring the heat up to medium, and I'm going to cover it. I'm just going to let that stew for a little bit. Guys, I just want to mention, the smell of that milk and that cinnamon, wow. It smells delicious. I stirred it up a little bit. Once you see that most of the milk is gone and the tortillas have absorbed most of it, you can go ahead and turn it off and just let it cool. And I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon on it. And look at that. Beautifully plated. Now, what I'm about to say is controversial, but in my opinion, this right here is on par with arroz con leche, okay, or just about any other dessert out there, okay. You want to eat this as a dessert, you can. You want to eat this for breakfast, you can, okay. Holiday season comes around, the cinnamon, the milk, the tortilla smell, it just smells like a holiday and it tastes like a holiday. Guys, look at that. Make it, taste it. I guarantee you're gonna like it. Okay? Like the video, subscribe. If you didn't like this video, that's alright. I'm gonna make another video. You can go and like that video.